Chapter 5. Wirings, Testing and Troubleshooting. Wirings. Wiring the LED module to the PCB. 1. Solder the positive terminal of the LED to the PCB where the 10 ohm resistor is connected. 2. Solder the negative terminal of the LED to the designated island on the PCB. Wiring the solar module to the PCB. 1. Solder the positive terminal of the solar module to the anode of the diode in the negative wire to the negative foil of the board. 2. Slowly insert the board into the pipe, leaving the switch and lamp terminals exposed. To illustrate this process, see next scene.
Solder the positive terminal of the solar module to the anode of the diode. And the negative wire to the negative foil of the board. Solder the positive terminal of the LED to the PCB where the 10 ohm resistor is connected. And solder the negative terminal of the LED to the designated island on the PCB. Slowly insert the board into the pipe, leaving the switch and lamp terminals exposed.
Testing. Test the solar night lamp if it works to make sure that you properly assembled the components together. Procedure. 1. Make sure that the solar night light is switched on. 2. Cover the solar module or bring the lamp into a dark room. The LED should light up when the solar module is covered or is in a dark room. 3. Uncover the solar module in a well-lit, lighted room or outdoor during daylight. The lamp should automatically turn off in doing so. Troubleshooting. The light does not turn on when the solar module is covered or the lamp is in the dark. 1. Check if the switch is on. 2. Check if the switch has poor connection or soldered points. 3. Check the voltage on the terminals of the LED, it should register at least 3 volts. 4. Check the connection if there is a very low voltage. 5. Fix possible open or shorted connections and solder points. 6. If there is 3 volts or more at the LED terminal, it is possible that the LED lamp is busted. Replace the LED. 7. Check if the battery voltage is still above 3V. Allow the battery to charge if the voltage is low. The light turns on but does not turn off when the solar module is exposed to light. 1. Check the PCB of possible short circuits of open connections. 2. Check if the voltage between the solar module connection points increases if the solar module is exposed to strong light and decreases if the solar module is covered from light. 3. If not, the solar module may be defective. Replace the solar module. 4. The voltage between the negative and collector of the transistor should be 0 when the solar module is exposed to light and goes low when the solar module is covered. 5. If not, transistor may be defective. Replace the transistor. Congratulations! You have now completed this course. Now it's time to try for yourself. But before that, make sure to always take extra precautions and be prepared with appropriate equipments in doing this activity. Best of luck!